Brands come and go, but how do you build an enduring brand? Hi, Brian here, and welcome to Treatbud Academy. I make videos on business, advertising, and marketing, and I run a podcast. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to join the community by hitting that subscribe button below. Today, I want to talk about how to build an enduring brand. And it's not like I've gone and actually built an enduring brand before, but here are some of my thoughts. The overarching theme today is that you're marketing to people. Technology, tools, trends rise and fall in terms of popularity. But the one constant throughout is that you're trying to connect with people. And the following three questions will help guide you on how you craft an enduring brand. The first one being, how quickly and how easily can someone understand your company vision and mission? The second question is, how relatable is your story? And the third question is, how do you want to make people feel? I think every great company should have a vision and a mission. So, kind of like a picture that you want to paint for the future. What is that vision? What do you see in the future? And how are you going to get there? What are you put on this earth to do? What is your mission? What is this goal that you want to achieve? I think being able to distill the vision and the mission into simple terms, into symbols, colors, into stories, can make it easily understandable and easy for people to grasp. And when you do this, it becomes immediately clear to people whether they align with your vision and mission or not. Oh, which actually brings us to our next point. We as a species love stories, and our history is actually a retelling or recount of our past experiences told as a story in one form or another. Great marketers are great storytellers. And when a brand tells an amazing story, they're able to connect with their audience, distill their values, beliefs, and mission into something understandable, and that's their audience is able to connect emotionally with. And going back to the most well-known format of storytelling, the hero's journey. As it applies to your company, what started it all? Were there any difficulties or struggles that you had to overcome? What are the triumphant moments? Or is there any type of closure that you can leave with your audience? When you tell this story and in a way that can connect with people emotionally, you're able to now elicit feelings rather than details and information. And that's how your brain remembers things, through feelings, not the facts. It's often more important or more likely that you're able to recall how someone made you feel than what that person did or said to you. That's why it's super important to understand how you want to make people feel when they interact with your brand or when you tell your brand story. Having a connection on an emotional level makes it so much deeper. It's not just a logical, oh, these are the features, these are the benefits of this brand or product, but eliciting that feeling helps them to make a deeper connection with your brand, and you're no longer just another brand or just another thing in their life. You actually become part of them. I want to bring all of this back to a very concrete example. Think about Patagonia. Yvon Chouinard, who started the company. His values and beliefs are imbued throughout the company, inside and out, top to bottom. And when you do this, it becomes sincere, it becomes genuine. Whether or not there are profit motives behind that, that's a whole different story. But when you understand the company's vision and their mission, what they're set out to do, and they're able to tell the story behind that, make it easily understandable and easily relatable for their tribe. And everyone can understand what their values are and beliefs are through the stories, and they feel so strongly about it or connect with it emotionally. You're able to build a brand that can endure, and that everyone can understand and connect with. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. If you enjoy content on business, advertising, and marketing, be sure to subscribe. Like this video if you did, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next videos. Stay tuned.